Hi everyone, welcome back to Ayesha's English Oasis, aka AEO, and what's in your teaching toolbox. Today, I'm sharing a simple yet effective lesson planning structure that will make your English lessons engaging and easy to deliver. Because it's a simple yet effective approach that works well for a range of EFL or ESOL classrooms, it was used in my last language school for short-term planning. However, it's important to note that there are many different types of lesson plans that educators can use, depending on their style, the needs of their students, or the context of their lessons. So don't feel like you have to use this particular structure. With that said, I'd love to hear from you. What lesson plan structures do you use in your own EFL or ESOL classes? Please share your favorites in the comments section below. Okay, let's get started. The structure we'll use includes 6 key stages. Number 1, warmer. Number 2, input. Number 3, controlled practice. Number 4, table time. Number 5, freer practice. And number 6, cooler. Let's break it down. First, the warmer. This is a short, fun activity to get students engaged and thinking in English. It could be a quick question, a short game, or a picture discussion. For example, if your lesson is about travel, ask students about their dream destination. Next, input. This is where you introduce the new language, whether it's vocabulary, grammar, or functional phrase. Use a short text, dialogue, or visual aid to help students understand the concept. New themes or topics can also be introduced here. Now, controlled practice. Here, students work on structured activities like gap fills, matching exercises, or drilling. This step builds accuracy and confidence. Table time is a focused, interactive session where students work on guided group tasks or written exercises to reinforce learning. Think of it as the bridge between controlled and freer practice. Then, freer practice. This is where students use the language more naturally in role plays, discussions, or storytelling activities. Encourage creativity and real communication here. Finally, the cooler. End on a positive note with a quick review game, a reflection question, or a fun challenge, or all of the above. This helps students consolidate their learning and leave the class feeling accomplished. And that's it. This structure is simple, flexible, and works across different levels and topics. Try it in your next lesson and let me know how it goes in the comments. To wrap up, one great way to make this lesson plan structure even more effective is by creating a template on shareable documents like Google Docs or Sheets. This way, colleagues and management can easily see what teachers are doing, and it opens up opportunities for sharing ideas and feedback. It promotes a more collaborative and transparent approach to lesson planning, which can really enhance the overall teaching environment. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below with your own lesson plan structures, and hit the bell for more teaching tips. Until next time, bye!